take.
I'm gonna take her to y'all.
Oh, you gonna take her to both of us? Cool. DQ gang, what's poppin', man? I go by Don.
I'm Quona.
We are back with another mukbang video, man. So what do we have today?
So what we have today is seafood, which is my ultimate favorite.
Yeah,
and we are trying a new restaurant, which is called Tasty Crab?
It was Tasty
Crab. No, Tasty Crab House. I'm excited to jump into it because first of all, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too, man.
And I love seafood.
So we can get down.
This ain't small. This like for a kid. Look at the strings.
Here we go.
You did it? Dang, I'm struggling.
Many hours later.
Let's see how this works. You say you're gonna put on at least one?
I'm gonna say put on at least one. I'm putting on both.
Me too.
Yeah,
It's going down, baby.
I don't even really eat seafood like that, but I'm hungry, man. I ain't even care.
And y'all got my vanilla Coke, which I love. Alright, so we gotta shake this up so we can get the juices on it real quick. Oh, that look good.
Oh yeah.
Smells good too, don't it?
It smells delicious.
Alright, so I'm just get out what I want. You get out what you want. Alright, so Don was gonna order a second one for him.
I already ball out, though. I ain't even care.
But I'm thinking like we can share it because first of all, he don't even like seafood like that. Hey, bro, you supposed to put it in the plate. You hungry, aren't you?
I'm real hungry. You potato bust.
Oh man. Oh, I ain't know I had crawfish.
Hey, D, I thought you said you were gonna give up extra sauce. You didn't do it, then.
I don't know.
You know what he said on the side.
Oh, we should have got more crab legs. I ended up getting crawfish. But they gave us one claw.
Cool.
My bad. It was me trying to rush an order.
I knew we should have balled out.
We really should have gotten another one now. No, I know we shouldn't have. You don't like crawfish?
Ain't no meat on it.
It's a little bit.
Ain't no meat on crawfish.
All right,
No.
y'all. You want an egg? You ain't got nothing in your plate. Y'all, I am so ready to eat this.
Man, this joint good.
Bro, I don't think I can do these gloves because I keep slipping off.
You gotta get yours country girl style.
Yeah, this so good.
Real good.
They gave us napkins. Let me get a napkin. Yeah, I can't do the glove.
She taking gloves off, cuz.
I can't get down to it. I need to use my hands. Dang, I put it on the menu. I didn't do that.
It's good, bro.
The sauce is really good.
Yeah, what kind of sauce is this? In case I want to get it, surprise you with it.
Tasty sauce?
Taste it out.
I forgot. It's the one that has like everything combined. I can't even move from the starches. I ain't even had the seafood yet.
I lick these gloves. I don't think you supposed to lick these gloves.
Here goes my extra sauce if you want it. That's like butter.
I gotta get rid of these gloves too, cuz.
Yeah, I can't do nothing with the gloves.
I need one, cuz I gotta wipe my mouth. I know you're looking at all this stuff on my mouth. Yeah, me too. I tried to be bougie, y'all. I can't be bougie for y'all. I gotta get down with the nitty gritty deep.
Baby, that crab is busting.
I don't know anything about them not giving us number one claw. I don't even really eat crab anymore.
That's what I asked for.
Oh.
I jumped to that one. I chose that one because it had crawfish.
Oh,
but
so you want a crawfish then?
Yeah, I wanted crawfish, but I didn't know they give you like only one claw. If I had known that, I would have let us get two.
Cool.
But you know what? I love seafood, so we can do another one later.
We honest.
What?
But how we eat, this probably all we'll be able to do with mukbang. We don't really eat bad.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we try to keep it clean, y'all. No matter what.
And yeah, I took out the sausages. So sausages came with this too.
Mm-hmm.
And I told them not to put them in there. Give us a corn instead. Because we don't eat that anymore.
Pescatarian cut. Man, this is good.
I didn't think I would like anybody like Hot Spot. I love Hot Spot.
Bro, Hot Spot be busting, but I don't know, God.
Taste is good too, y'all.
Mm-hmm. They might be giving Hot Spot a run for their money.
Or you know what? Our next mukbang got to be at the place we haven't tried.
What?
Yemen. We ate there. I ate there. Have you eaten there?
Who played that with?
My cousin Risha.
Oh. Bro, I think that Yummy, Tasty, Hot Spot, all that ran by the same person.
Mm-mm.
You don't think so?
Food on first time.
So you don't think all of them ran by the same person?
Mm-mm. But I'm trying to figure out how they got the seasoning inside the egg.
Mm-hmm.
So they got garlic butter in here, and you can see the garlic. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
It's so crazy because you don't even really like this kind of seafood. I mean, you don't dislike it, but
I don't.
this ain't your go-to.
Cause normally I get like fried fish. You'll have the whole seafood ball. It's good, man.
It is good. I gotta learn how to make it like this. I made it one time. You remember that sauce I made?
Oh yeah.
I don't even remember what I put in it.
What you should do?
What?
You should go work though, like 2-3 weeks or something. And find out how to cook it, and then you just stop working it.
You know how I know this food good?
Huh.
I didn't even pick up my drink one time. Have you?
Mm-hmm. But yeah, man, if you go work though, man, we'll have all the secrets. We can make our own. Yeah,
I think I'm gonna do that. Which one you want me to work for? Hot Spot or where we at? Tasty Crab.
Mm-hmm. Tasty.
Work for Tasty.
Yeah, but tell me you want to cook.
They ain't gonna let me cook.
How you gonna learn the recipe then?
I might have to work at Hot Spot. They might let me cook there. You know what? Those are Chinese people at both. So you might be right.
And egg up.
They know what they're doing too. Oh my gosh. So
like, what's happening? So what's been going on in your world?
nothing. I'm really thinking about doing some different stuff to the house. I want to change our living room. I want to like take the carpet up and put some hardwood down. I just want to remodel.
So you want to spend some money?
Not really. Not a lot.
I'm with it though. I'm with whatever, man. That'd be fire though.
I just don't like the carpet because you have to do too much to it.
Yeah.
To keep it clean and to keep it, fluffy and stuff.
You know another thing about carpet, hardwood or whatever, it make the house look lighter because the light bounce up off the floor. You know that.
Where you get that from?
Man, cuz I know this, cuz I do this.
Do you know how to eat crawfish?
You talking one, huh? Teach me again.
Oh, man. Oh, I already took the head off. So you take the head off, you got to peel the sides. Oh, it feels so nasty because I'm taking his body off. Alright, so peel the shells on the side, hold the tail, and you wiggle his tail meat out. And there you go. Don't that look good,
Oh,
y'all?
dang. So I still got some more meat in mine?
You didn't eat the tail?
Yeah.
You gotta eat the whole tail.
But your tail look bigger than mine, bro.
Where's your tail?
I ate it right.
Yeah, you can't eat the head.
Bro, you got big tails. So it's still something in there?
No, don't eat that. Ooh, look at this crab meat. Ooh.
Well, no, I can eat that. That's the whole bag.
Boy, you don't eat the brain?
I mean, they put it up there.
Not for you to eat.
I don't know though. I think we should have got a second one, bro. They were him about out of there.
You're right, we should have. I thought it was gonna be a lot of food though. I ain't never went to this place. I thought it was like Hot Spot because we normally can share from Hot Spot.
Well, from normally at Hot Spot, when I get something else, you still have something left.
You want another corn? I don't want any corn.
Oh yeah. Come on, bust.
I didn't know I had two. Did you eat that egg?
Mm-hmm.
It was good, wasn't it?
It was good.
How they get the seasoning inside the shell?
Yeah, it was peeled, man.
It was, but so they boil it and peel it and then put the cooked egg in the crab bowl.
Mm-hmm.
That's smart.
I think we ate somewhere one time. They didn't do that. You had to peel your own egg.
I don't even remember. I went to so many crab places. So what's your overall favorite seafood spot? I mean, I know you don't like seafood like that, but
Long John Silver.
Long John Silver?
Y'all that man. I want to see how you want to look. Oh, you nothing like this. Why this boy up?
Long John Silver do come through with the fish though.
I can pick. You know they shut Long John Silver now.
Oh no, I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
If I could
Show us
pick,
how much I care about Long John Silver.
I would say probably Hot Spot. Mm-hmm. But they right here good too, man.
I think the one we went to in Duluth, that was my ultimate favorite.
What name?
But around
That
here,
one was tasty too, huh? Tasty something.
it wasn't tasty. It was something. Crab.
Juicy.
Juicy crab.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, juicy crab. They have some good sauce.
Juicy crab, the one got all these crab spot popping.
No?
Remember everybody was going to Atlanta to go to the Juicy crab.
Yeah, you're right.
And they ain't know they start popping up around here.
Yep. And I'm glad.
Man, good.
So I'm thinking about starting another channel. What you think? I want to do like not a reaction channel, but on the channel that we do create, I do want to do some reactions. I don't want them to be based on solely reaction stuff. What you think?
Like a solo channel or like another couple's channel, just something else?
Another couple's channel. I just want to be organized.
Oh, okay. I mean, you know me, man. I'm with whatever, bro. I don't see why not.
What do we do experiments with them?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Ooh, cooking.
Because we already got this channel popping.
Y'all, that slid right out of there.
So we know it's our main channel. And I feel like no matter what kind of channel we basically start, it's going to pop just because our main channel pop. So we can be cooking. I'm pretty sure people would love them. Y'all comment down below. Would y'all like to see us cook? You know what I'm saying?
And it really might not be the same people, to be honest. Might be some different people who want to see us cook.
Yeah.
Some of them might just like the mukbangs and pranks and stuff.
Facts.
Dang. This one right here had lost his antennas and his hand.
Left them in the pot, cook.
Left him in the pot too long?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm glad we didn't get the medium sauce because the medium sauce would have been way hotter.
What is it?
Mild? Then you said you want mild?
Yeah, I was like, man, let me get mild. But I felt like that medium, I wouldn't be able to eat it. But you like spicy stuff, though.
I do.
I don't too much care about it like that.
I even like my vegetables spicy, yeah.
Yeah, she do. And she like her food real hot. Like she'll bring the food, it be straight off the pot. And I be like, hey, let me let mine cool down.
Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like my food cold. Alright, I got another big tail. This is crawfish. Yours ain't coming out like that?
Cause you know how to pick them, cuz. I ain't picking them like you.
Y'all. Man. Now we might have to go back tomorrow.
Well, what? You know, like, it's not good. So, for the people who don't know, man, we don't really talk about it much because I'm a firm believer in you should focus on one thing before you basically move to another thing.
Yeah.
But we have an athletic apparel brand. I'm pretty sure some of y'all know that, some of y'all may not. Especially if you already knew. If this is your first video watching us.
Yeah, all the OGs know.
Yeah. And it's called Imperium Athletics, man. So, we finna take it in a whole nother direction. But for now, we have product that y'all need to go buy.
Oh yeah, we gotta move that stuff out the store because we gotta get some more stuff in.
Yeah.
And we're not gonna have room to place all the new stuff in the same place as the old product.
Yeah, though. So yeah, man. So like, if you know what I'm saying, trying to lose some extra weight, or if you just like athletic wear, you know what I'm saying, just go to ImperiumAthLetics.com.
That's funny how you said that.
What?
Lose some extra weight. That's how I am. I got extra weight I don't need.
Well, man, shining. I love us, man. Comment down below. You know, we might hit you with a discount code, man, if you comment down below on this video.
Look at that, y'all. Boy, I'm getting them out of there right.
Yes, sir. Well, you know what you're doing, bro. You done did it before.
This food right down my alley.
So, yeah, y'all make sure y'all go shop, man. Shop till you drop. You know what I'm saying? I just thought I'd throw that out there. I'm not trying to sell y'all, nigga, you know what I'm saying? But
Yeah, we are. We're trying to sell y'all some stuff.
I feel like we don't mention it enough, and it's just because
We really don't, for real.
like we were so focused on getting monetized that we just were dialed in, and I feel like now that we are monetized, we can put a, you know what I'm saying, we still gotta grind with the YouTube, but we can put a little bit of our focus back on our baby, Imperium Athletics. Dig?
Absolutely. Man, I don't know. I think Tasty has won me over.
But what? It's busting.
Even though they don't have as much food as my other place, still, food is busting.
You know, my eye got it. Even my eye said it taste good. My eye like, no, keep it closed. Keep it in there. Keep it open.
Boy, you crazy. We need to use that, but why are you dipping this stuff in butter?
Mm-hmm.
But this sauce is good.
So I dip it in salt and butter.
Woo! Wait, let's do a thumbnail real quick. Because we forgot to do one.
Oh yeah, that's the cane right there.
Oh, yeah. It looks like he's still alive.
They got him lag, cause
Oh,
he cane.
I they took his head off. That's messed up. Bro, he hard to open.
He cane, cuz.
That's why I'm the king.
Oh yeah, we don't need to do this. No more scrap.
Yeah, it is. There's some more shirt
What?
on the side over there.
You want?
No, you got it.
You sure?
Baby, I'm positive. We're going to eat this again tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
No?
Oh, you gonna cook tomorrow, cuz.
No, we eating this.
What's wrong with y'all?
We got to do another mukbang.
Man, this joint here, man. I ain't gonna do that on camera. Alright. So we're about to run out of food.
Yep, we just got. Oh, look at
Get
mine.
mine. Get mine out of there.
Get your what?
Give me a tail. Give me a tail off here.
Okay.
So since I'm about to run out of food, man.
I don't know. This might be the king. He big.
That cane line.
Sauce. Like, look at that. That was so easy. Look, you gotta take the digestive tract out too now.
Gotta take that up out of us. Some of y'all don't, and it's nasty. You gotta know that. That is pure nasty.
Yeah. Let me feed you. all this extra sauce. I think he just put it in a bag, babe.
Oh, yeah. I remember he told her he won though, because he said they charged him for it.
Yeah.
So he must have snuck it in there.
I don't know. It probably come with that much sauce. I don't know. That was my first time eating that, so I wouldn't know.
So,
What?
y'all know me, man. I like to end the videos with something constructive, because this video, we did a whole lot of eating. And we were hungry, y'all. Sorry.
Yeah, we normally talk about stuff.
All we talked about them crabs. That's how y'all know it was good, because that's what we talked about. But I just want to leave y'all with something, though. So what do you think is like your most, is like the number one key to success as far as you? Not saying anything about like how somebody else can be successful.
Are you saying, why do I think, like, what did I do to contribute to my success?
Yeah, like what you think your number one key was to you being successful? And then I'm gonna get mine.
There are so many factors, though.
You gotta pick one, cause these folks ain't got all night, and plus an ad can come up when you want to watch it. Watch the ad.
Oh, man, the number one thing that made me successful, not giving up.
Man, that's a good one right there, bro. Consistency, perseverance.
Yeah, all of that falls under the same umbrella of not giving up. Determination, being driven, consistency, persistence, resiliency. All of that goes hand in hand.
You're right. Well, you took mine. 'Cause I was gonna say is my drive, but that's not giving up too. Like I got an incredible drive. Like
you're highly motivated.
facts. My willpower. You know what I'm saying? Like I know where I want to be in life.
Hold on now, that's more than one.
I mean, all that falls under not giving up. That's what I'm saying. Like you, like you took it.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. I just feel like when you know where you want to be at, bro, it's a lot easier not to give up.
Yeah. Absolutely.
So that means
all of those things go hand in hand with success. I mean, there are so many other key factors, but I think that is like the biggest one. That's the most important.
It is, bro. You're right.
Because even if you have a dream to be whatever you want to be, like that doesn't mean that you're necessarily going to be successful at whatever it is you want to be. Like you got to have more than zeal for it. You got to have more than just that dream. You got to be able to work, or you got to be able to put forth some effort to make that dream come true.
Facts, big facts, man. So yeah, that's real, man. So anybody watching this, man, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate you for watching it to the very end, and we just want to leave you with something like the number one key to success is not to give up, man. And man, you can be anything. Anybody can be anything. You just can't give up because you're gonna run through the emotions. You're gonna get discouraged. You're gonna get depressed.
Oh man,
that's what's up, man. Yeah, man. Dang, I ain't even really have to. Even though I said something, I didn't have to. Not giving up. That's real, man.
Yeah.
A lot of people gonna hear that and get inspired.
Hopefully we'll see you guys in another mukbang not too far away from today because I really enjoy that seafood. If we go back to this place, we gotta have two. I'm gonna have one and he's gonna have one.
Thanks, man.
I didn't know it was that small portion.
Yeah, big facts. And next time I probably won't have on this hat because I have I don't know if you've been watching us, you know I always wear a hoodie or a beanie or something when I don't be lying down. Look, it's fair neck. But
you still look good though, babe.
I appreciate you look good too, man. But yeah, man. Shout out to the supporter who made this t-shirt too.
Yeah, her name is Tamar.
Yeah, appreciate you. You just gave me a crazy idea, man.
For some t-shirts.
Yeah, man. Appreciate that.
I told our subscribers to comment below too if they would like a t-shirt. Like
yeah, man. Y'all comment down below, man. Y'all ready for the DQ merch, man?
Yes.
Man, appreciate y'all for watching that video, man. The DQ game, we really do appreciate y'all. We love y'all. If you're watching this video and you are not subscribed, man, that means you are a cap watcher. We don't like cap watchers. We don't associate with cap watchers unless they watch the ads. Now, if you watch the ads, you can be a cap watcher.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Absolutely. Watch the ads. Yeah, if you watch the ads and you haven't subscribed, but you come back for every video to watch those ads, then we appreciate the cat watcher.
Yeah, you are an honorary cat watcher.
Yeah, he's not a special member of the DQ thing.
So, but yeah, man, go ahead and subscribe, man.
And why do I say he? Like, how do I know it's a he?
Somebody telling you that, man. Somebody hating on me. Somebody look at him.
Guy.
Look at him eating that seafood. That beautiful girl in that nice shirt on. And that pyramid athletics beat on like that. Anyway, who even drank vanilla? You know, people hate on it. They be like, why she had to get vanilla Coke? She too good to get regular Coke?
Or why she drinking vanilla Coke when that man all fit and she bringing a soda around here?
I ain't that fit, man. Come on, man. Don't boost my head. She trying to boost my head.
You ain't fit.
I mean, I'm fit,
I gotta
but I
get
ain't
like
that
you.
Fit. Like you said, that fit. That fit is like I don't eat wrong at all. And I do.
I said,
I got hot tamales. Nah, you know that. Did you?
No, I didn't know that. And you just said you don't like spicy stuff.
I like hot tamales. You ever eat hot tamales?
Yeah, they're hot.
Man, that joint good.
Ah! Don just did something nasty.
Well, I'm gonna take blame. I don't want to look at you like that.
It's just a belch.
Anyway, y'all.
I said excuse me.
Yeah, she did, y'all. But I look at her different now.
No, you do not.
Anyway, yeah, man, don't be a cat watcher, man. Hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, and when you do turn them on, man, make sure you comment down below so you can get a shout out on the next video. Like my baby said, man, I really enjoyed this mukbang, whatever you call it. So, of course, we're gonna do it again, man.
Alright, guys, so until the next video, stay blessed and follow your dreams, and we will see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Marky G.